Colony 2010 Narkil frame with Colony clone front hub, Colony front rim with Odyssey Park and Dirt front tire with BSD light forks, stolen bearings which are shit. Then we got McNeil cranks, a Shadow Conspiracy 23 tooth sprocket, and a Shadow Conspiracy half link chain. Also got a Shadow Conspiracy seat, a Federal pivotal C-post, a Colony clone back hub with a 9-tooth driver, a Odyssey quadrant back rim which is really strong and hard to buckle, same back tire as the front. Also got Odyssey plastic pedals which are they're really shit, and we got Sunday bars which I can't put on my bike because the company is really slow in sending my Colony stems. So yeah, that's about it.